Hi Francesco, how's it going, man?
Everything is great. I hope you're okay. Welcome to my class. Welcome everybody to session 105, 105. Today we want to practice a very nice conversation about sports and people who play sports and people who watch sports. Let's look at this part. As you can see, we have this conversation. Before we start the conversation, please look at this picture on the right. Okay. In this picture, you can see Carl. This is Carl, and you can see Carl's dad. They are talking on the cell phone. Okay, he's calling Carl's dad is calling him at the college. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, please look at the picture, Mr. T. Is Carl's father happy?
Please eraser tick.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe. I think
Yeah.
yes.
Let me zoom.
I think
Is he
yes.
happy?
Yes.
Okay. Well, now look at Carl. Does Carl like baseball?
Yes, he's look at mm, baseball play.
Baseball play, and he has a baseball bat here,
Yes.
right? And the shoes and everything. So he likes baseball very much. Okay. Now, uh, let's listen to the conversation. We want to listen to the conversation here. Part A. Listen. Is Carl studying hard this semester? What is he doing right now? So we know that when you study in the college, there are some semesters, right?
Yeah.
Or the term, like we say, this is my first semester, semester, or term, or the time that you study in the college or university is called a semester. Let me change the color to black. Okay. Now, please listen to the conversation. Is he studying hard this semester, and what is he doing right now? Please listen and tell me the answer for these two questions. Let's start.
Page 68. 2. Building language. A. Listen. Is Carl studying hard this semester? What is he doing right now?
Hi, Carl. It's me. How's it going?
Oh, hi, Dad. Everything's great.
So, are you studying for your exams?
Oh, yeah. I'm working very hard this semester.
Good. So, what are you doing right now? Are you studying?
Dad, right now I'm watching a baseball game.
Baseball? Who's playing?
The Yankees and the Red Sox.
Really? Carl, let's talk again in 2 hours.
Okay, Dad. Enjoy the game.
You too. But please, try and study for your exams.
Okay, so let's answer the question. Is he studying hard this semester?
Yes, yes. He's
Mm-hmm.
working he's working hard to study in
Yeah,
semester.
okay. Yes, he's studying hard.
Yes.
And one more question. What is he doing right now?
He's watching a baseball game.
That's true. He's watching a baseball game on TV right now. Okay. So before we finish, let's practice this conversation. Can you see all the text?
Yes, yes.
All right. Perfect. So I want to read. Okay. I read that part. You read Carl. Ready?
Yes. Let's go.
Hi, Carl. It's me. How's it going?
Oh, hi, Dad. Everything is great.
So, are you studying for your exams?
Oh, yeah, I'm working very hard this semester.
Good. So, what are you doing right now? Are you studying
Oh, Dad, right now I'm watching a baseball game.
baseball? Who's playing?
The Yankees and the Red Sox.
Really? Carl, let's talk again in 2 hours.
Okay, Dad, enjoyed the game.
You too, but please try and study for your exams. All right. Thanks. Do you have any questions about this part?
No.
All right. Let's go to part B. Underline the questions in the conversation above. What do you notice about the word order? Let's look at the conversation again. Okay. I want you to look at all the questions that we have. I want to underline them, so please help me. What questions do you see?
So you are studying for your exam?
Are you studying for your exams?
How's it
Yes.
going?
How is it going?
Are you studying?
Are you studying?
Are you doing right? So what are you doing right now?
What are you doing right now?
Enjoy. Who's playing?
Who's playing?
Really?
That's not a question, that's a reaction.
Okay, that's it.
Good, good. So we have some questions here. How's it going? Are you studying? And the rest of them. Let me make a chart so that we can talk about the questions. As you can see, we have two types of questions here. Type 1 is yes-no questions. Yes-no questions. So what yes-no questions do we have? Are you studying? Number 1 is, are you studying for your exams? That's question 1, yes-no question. And also we have, are you studying? Are you studying? Here are the two yes-no questions that we have in this part. In the next part, we want to talk about information questions or WH questions. Information questions. So what information questions do we have here? We have how's it going? How's it going? This is 1. And also we have what are you doing right now?
What are you doing now?
Right now. And the next question is who's playing? These questions are used in the conversation. Okay. Please look at yes-no questions. Are you studying and are you watching? What word comes first in yes-no questions?
B verb.
Yes, the be verb. Am is are. Very good. Okay. Now, what two words come after the be verb?
Subject
Subject, very good.
plus verb
Plus
plus
verb.
ing and after the question.
Yes. So again, we have the subject, verb plus ing after the be verb. So if you want to create a formula or something, we can say be plus subject, verb ing, right? This is the structure. Okay. In the next part, we have a WH question. So what word is first in these types of questions?
WH question
Yes.
plus B
What, verb, plus be,
plus
after that.
plus subject plus verb and plus ing.
That's right. So first of all, we have what, how, and these types of
When, where.
sentences. Okay, yes. When, where, and the rest of them. In the next part, we have what. Let me underline that really quick. Okay. In the next part, we have the be verb, am is are. In the next part, we have the subject, and then we have verb plus ing. Okay. So if you want to create a structure, we can say WH word plus be, am is are, plus subject, plus verb, and plus ing. And then a question mark and the rest of the sentence. Okay, cool. Well, so in the next part, we are going to talk more about this grammar. It's a very nice grammar that you can use and how to make questions. So please stay with us. If you have any comments, please comment for us down below, and thank you for supporting us. See you next session. Goodbye.
Bye guys.